Know you've been a good friend.
Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants or experts anymore. It's now a tool anyone can use to make money, no technical skills required. Here are some simple and effective ways to use AI to boost your income. First up, content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva can help you create high-quality content in minutes. Write blog posts, social media captions, or even full ebooks with AI writing assistants. Pair that with AI design tools to create stunning visuals and videos for clients. Next, sell AI-generated art. Platforms like DALL-E and MidJourney allow you to create unique digital artwork that you can sell as prints or NFTs. Set up an Etsy store or upload your creations to platforms like Redbubble and Society6 to start earning passive income. Freelancing is easier with AI. Tools like Grammarly, Descript, and Adobe Podcast help you edit documents, transcribe audio, or enhance videos effortlessly. Offer services like proofreading, transcription, or video editing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Want to start an online store? AI tools like Shopify's AI Assistant or Printify can help you automate product design, listings, and marketing. You can even use AI to analyze customer data and optimize your sales strategy. Less effort, more profits. Turn your expertise into income by creating online courses. AI tools like Synthesia can create video lessons for you, while platforms like Teachable help you sell them. You can even use AI to personalize learning experiences for your students. Finally, let AI work for you by investing smartly. Apps like Betterment, Wealthfront, or even crypto trading bots use AI to optimize your portfolio. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency, AI can help you make data-driven decisions. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword. It's a tool for creating opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, artist, entrepreneur, or investor, AI can help you earn more while working smarter. Subscribe for more tips on how AI can transform your life.